today's class where we are going on an adventure to see a farm. I love going to farms. Maybe some of you even live on a farm. I just love all the different animals. Let's start by putting on some rubber boots because we might have to get a little bit muddy when we go into the pens with all the animals. And let's take some big steps so that we can land our feet nice and strong underneath us. And let's take a little look out into the farmland. And do you know what I see? I see a bunch of chickens. Let's get down and pretend that we are chickens. Get those feet out wide, those knees wide. Let's get those arms flapping, and let's be a chicken or a hen coming all the way to the top of our mat. Oh, good job. Now place your hands down on the floor and stretch your legs up. And let's just dangle our arms back and forth and back and forth. Great. Now it's time to place our hands down on the mat and let's take a big step back with both of our feet, turning ourselves upside down. And now lift one leg up. And now we've turned ourselves into a horse. And this is our tail. Can you shake your tail and wag it all around and brush the flies away? Oh, that is so good. Let's try it on the other leg. Put that leg down and lift up the other leg. And now let's be that horse with that big, long, beautiful tail. Shake it around. Swat the flies away from you. And nice and strong. And now place that foot down. Oh, now out in the field, we look forward. Bring your knees down onto the floor. Stack your shoulders over your hands. And let's let our bellies drop all the way down to the floor as we turn ourselves into a big fat cow. Let that belly hang down. And do you know what else is in the pasture with the cows? Sheep. Let's start to round our back up and pretend that we are the sheep grazing in the grass. Let's be that cow again. Let that belly come down and look forward. And now let's be that sheep. Pull the belly in and up and tuck that chin. Good. One more time, my yogis. All the way down with your belly. Oh, that big fat cow. Moo! And all the way up into being that sheep. Great job. And now let's sit down on our seats and turn our legs out to the front, lying down on our backs, because you know what one of my favorite animals is in the farm? Those little piggies. Let's pretend that we are the piggies in the farmyard or in their pen, and we are rolling in the mud. Can you hold onto your feet and roll side to side, playing in the mud? Oh, this is so good. I love it. And now lie down on your back and give your knees a great big hug. I think that we should try all those poses again. So let's rock and roll all the way until we stand up. And let's turn around and face the other side. Okay, do you remember the first animal we saw? It was the chickens. Let's get down and get ready to cluck like a chicken as we walk all the way to the other side of our mats. Here we go. Amazing job. Now hands down and stretch those legs up. Oh, give yourself a good long stretch and a dangle. Place your hands down on the mat and take a big giant step backwards. Looking down by your knees, hands nice and strong. And now you choose the leg you'd like to pick up, and let's pretend that we are that horse with that nice long beautiful tail. Can you shake your tail, wag your tail, move it all around? Okay, and let's bring that leg down. Other foot, let's bring it on up and give that tail a shake all around. Beautiful long horse tails. And now place the foot down on the floor and let's come down onto our hands and knees, getting ready to be a cow and a sheep. So let's drop the belly down so that we can be the cow with the big round belly. And now let's graze on all the grass as we tuck our chin and round our spine, being the sheep. Bah! Let's make some noises this time. Let's make the cow noise. Moo! And as we come up, we turn ourselves into a sheep. Bah!
One more time. Here we go. Moo.
Let me hear you. And tuck that chin. Ba.
Turn yourself into a sheep.
Great job, yogis. Now, my favorite, let's be a piggy in the pen. On your back, grab those feet. Start rolling side to side. Having so much fun getting yourself dirty. Oh, we're full of mud. And now let go of your feet and give those knees a nice big hug. Whew. Now that we've played around in the pen, let's take our rubber boots off. We don't need them anymore. Set them aside. And let's stretch our legs out and stare up at the sun. Let's see if we can stay here for a count of 10. Let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8. You can close your eyes if you'd like. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing, my little yogis. Blink those eyes open if they were closed. And let's bring ourselves all the way up to sit. Finding ourselves nice and tall in our spine. And let's take our hands together and bow our chin. And we say, Namaste.